Matt Furlong with MarineMax and Rogers Minnesota here today. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 400 SLX. This boat is equipped with the stone interior, beautiful setup. It's got gray sea deck throughout the entire boat, loaded with the premium sound system. So when you and your guests are hanging out on the drop-down side hull in the back, as well as the submersible swim platform, you're gonna have enough tunes to take care of you hanging out in the back of the boat. It's also gonna have blue underwater lights, as well as blue cockpit lighting. And of course, as always, we ordered it with the rear sunshade as well. This boat's a great setup. It's going to be powered by twin 380 horsepower Mercruiser engines. Great boat, runs out really smooth. It's going to be equipped with the dynamic running surface, so it's going to handle water very well. Coming into the cockpit of the boat here, you can see the gray sea decking runs throughout the entire boat. Really nice setup to it with the stone interior. You're going to have the movable co-pilot seat, which spins, giving you multiple layout options in the boat. You can see your subwoofer right down behind this seat here. Around to the front of the boat, you've got this nice port side walkthrough to get up to the front, where you're going to have ample seating up in the front. This one also comes with a teak table for it as well for the front of this boat. Beautiful big windshield, very easy to see through, gives you a great viewing angle wherever you're looking. Dual digital Simrad dash. This is a beautiful setup. You can see your dynamic running surface and Axius setup over on the helm, as well as with the premium stereo, you have the touchscreen controls. Moving down into the cockpit of the boat, you're going to have seating throughout the front. It's going to be air conditioned. Ample sized head unit to it, as well as aft storage or bed. Nice TV mounted on the wall as you walk in. This boat is also equipped with another TV inlaid into the storage compartment on the port side of the boat that you can remove and set up so your guests can view and be entertained while you're out on the water. Come into MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Give us a call. Come check out this brand new 2020 400 SLX.